Make a great choice today with the 2018 RDX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated seats, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, electroluminescent instrumentation, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.